Hey, it's Lauren, and I'm at the library. Why, you ask? Because I want to talk to you about something that is coming in September. If you have not heard, and if you have student loan debt or you know somebody that has student loan debt, make sure you send them this video because those payments are starting back up again in September. So, what does that mean? Well, it means a couple things. So, the way I see it, lots of credit reports, lots of student loan debt out there. But for the last 3 years, people haven't been paying it because they didn't have to, right? So, what I don't know about you, but those 0% credit cards that you don't have to pay on until 18 months later, and then all of a sudden you kind of forget about it, and then all of a sudden, bam, it hits you in the head, and you're like, oh my gosh, I got a huge bill. So start now. Start putting that payment away, whatever it's going to be. Maybe it's income based, maybe it's not. So check it out. Make sure that you get that in your budget so that you're not kind of cut short. And I just read this really interesting statistic. Um, because of all of the low interest rates and for the last few years, 10, what is it? 10, I'm going to check my notes, 10% more debt than they did when they were paying their, most students, excuse me, most students have 10% more debt than they had when they were paying those bills. So now you got bills. Ugh. So make sure you check it out, get educated on it. And if you own a house right now, debt is super high and the rates are super high. And even mortgage rates are a little higher than they are normally, but they're going to come down. Perfect time to do a cash out refi, pay off debt, pay off credit cards, pay off student loans, grab that cash, get rid of all your debt. And believe it or not, you might actually save so much money. We just helped a family. They saved $2,000 by doing a refi, going from, I think it was 3.25 to 6.5, 692. They actually saved $2,000 a month because they wiped out their debt. So if that's you, let me know. Let's look at it. Maybe it makes sense. Maybe it doesn't. But if you have student loans, make sure you stay on top of this because it's coming in September and we don't want you to get stuck. And if you're buying a house, let's talk now, like right now, because we want to make sure that you're not house poor. Yeah, you're going to have that added to your debt to income ratio. We do add a portion, it's 1% or point or 0.5%, but that might not be your payment. So we want to make sure that you're good. And we really believe in financial freedom. And we want to make sure that you are not house poor trying to we want your mortgage to work for you, not the other way around. Anyway, check it out. If you have questions, give me a call. And if you know somebody that this could help, please send it to them. And it would be amazing if you'd subscribe because I'm trying to get the channel. So I'm going to go back and read my books. Bye, everybody.